So just help me really quick and don't make fun of me if I sound like an influencer. I'm not trying to be, I promise you. But the other thing is I don't want too much talking at the beginning of this because it's really just an unboxing. This is like landscape photographer dream territory here, okay? That's the only reason that you're gonna make fun of me.
Be confident in your ability of being a photographer, medium format. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
Just focus on that.
Thank you.
You are confident man.
Wife behind the camera. My name is Sam. I am a cinematographer and a photographer in the Pacific Northwest. Today we're at Petticoat Mountain Ranch in Montana, and we got the Hasselblad 907X 60th anniversary medium format camera from Hasselblad. This is a pretty special camera. I shot a lot of medium format film in college, and I have been fascinated with that kind of I'm just nervous to unbox a new camera. It's the 50th anniversary of Hasselblad sending cameras to the moon. So they took their newest 50 megapixel mirrorless sensor and they put it in a body that is a digital back that snaps onto any of their film cameras. So every camera from Hasselblad's history is now a 50 megapixel film camera. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, that's got some weight to it. That's on the moon since 1969. This digital back is the CFVII 50 megapixel, but when you put this mirrorless attachment to it, it's the 907X camera. Okay, here's that. Oh, it says Hasselblad on it. Okay, cool. There's that. There's that. There's some accessories in here. We'll figure those out in a minute. Oh, look at that. There's a really pretty like tweed strap. And like the most ridiculous overbuilt woven cable. I hope that is as overbuilt as it looks. Hasselblad, when you shoot for perfection, the space shuttle camera. Those are super pretty. Those are super retro. On the moon since 1969, 50 year. And then that's every model of camera they've made so far. We got the 65 XCD 65 millimeter lens, which is around 35 millimeter, 40 millimeter equivalent. Oh, it goes to the side. So there's the digital sensor right there. Let's just expose it to everything. So that snaps on like any of their film cameras. There's the camera with the little screen. I think it has a battery in there, but I doubt it's charged at all. Oh, they sent it with an SD card. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty classy. I just want to show the first, technically the first photo. It's not the first photo though. I wanted to show the unboxing, and then coming up to, this isn't the top of the mountain. There's still a lot longer to go. But we're gonna take a picture up here. I'm gonna take a portrait of you.
Of me?
Yeah.
That's what you wanted to do?
Yes. I'll show you what I want you to do. I might even have you do like something mysterious. So let's see, we're gonna turn it on for the first time. I'm lying right now. It's not the first time. On our way up here, there was a cow elk that we stopped to take a picture of. So the very first photo on the Hasselblad, I was going to try to make it of my wife, a portrait, up on the top of the mountain. But then we stopped for a wildlife photo. Back up a little bit, like into the tree. Yes, right there. Or this little shutter button on the front with a little dial is like retro waist level viewfinder. I love it so much. Okay. How do I get it back to the screen? It left me. Well, how do I get to the, hold on, we're gonna figure this out. How do I get to the monitor? What if I want to see it? I don't know how to get to the little monitor to see the picture.
Click that. Because I clicked that.
No, that's...
Click the power button twice.
So the power button also shows the play button display. We can't figure out how to make it. Crop, orientation, configure, flash, quality.
Live view?
Oh, wait, you're right, live view. Preview, preview? What's that preview?
Could you push X, X, X and see if you can get back to it?
Oh, there it is. That was weird. I literally don't know what I did different just now. Look up the mountain. Up that way. It's got a really nice shutter sound. It's really tactile. And then let me take one picture this way of this. Okay, that's super cool. My wife's about to leave me, totally about to leave me in the background there. So that's the Hasselblad 907X, on the moon since 1969, waist level digital viewfinder camera from Petty Creek Mountain Ranch.